Hi guys, we're back at Lowe's today. I want to see what's new here and I want to see what kind of markdowns and clearance items they have. Here is a really cute little friend that I saw at the garden center. It's a baby bunny. I think he was living under those pallets there. He was so cute. Really tiny, very cute. Here's a reminder of what the clearance prices are at Lowe's. A lot of the stuff I saw today was $15 and up, so that would be 50% off. I'm probably not going to call out the sale price. I'll just, maybe mention the regular price, and then it would just be 50% off from there. Okay, the first thing I see out front is this brilliant sedum, $7.98, and looks like this one is 12 inches by 24 inches. None of them were blooming, but it looked pretty on the tag. And then this is some Agastache or Agastache. This one's Blue Fortune. This one is 24 by 24. These were really pretty. Lots of pollinators on these. I really like that purple color. And then they also had another variety here called Black Adder. These were both $7.98. Same size on this one, 24 by 24. This is the first time I've seen this one, Spring King Mini Salvia. This was really a small salvia at 10 inches by 10 inches. Very cute. And then this is the Mr. Goodbud Sedum. I see people plant this pretty often. 16 by 12 and also $7.98. And there's a look at the bud there just starting to open. Here is the Graceful Pink Gara. This one was actually clearanced out, so that was $4. And these are 24 by 24. They get a really pretty pink bloom on them. And then I found this Lamb's Ear. It didn't really have a variety, but the size was 18 by 24 for $7.98. I really like the look of this one. It's not too big, not too small. And then Pow Wow White Coneflower. These were in bloom. These were really pretty. These are 16 by 12 for $7.98. And then they also had the Pow Wow Wild Berry Coneflower. This one said it is 15 by 12, also $7.98. This was a really pretty purple color. And then here's where we started to see the markdowns. This is a Monrovia Lantana, the banana yellow, 24 by 24 for $9.98 original. And then Rapido Blue Bellflower from Monrovia. This is a smaller variety, 5 by 5, $12.98. And this is where I started to see a lot of shrubs. The Darts Red Spirea, $24.98. This one is 4 feet by 5 feet. And then Winter Gem Boxwood, $28.98. This was a larger container. These get about 3 feet by 3 feet. And then Sky Penciled Japanese Holly. I don't think these do very well here, but I've never tried them myself. These are 6 foot by 1 foot, and a Dwarf Buford Holly, 6 foot by 4 foot. So that's a really large one, $12.98. This was a smaller Winter Gem Boxwood for $10.98. This one I thought was really a good shape. Might be pretty good for a topiary, although it didn't really have a single leader, but it was still a nice, cute round shrub there. I'm always interested by these climbing hydrangeas. This was $44.98. These get huge, 20 feet by 15 feet. They're really cool, but you have to really have a good big space for them. And then here's the Proven Winners Black Lace Elderberry, another really large shrub, 6 to 10 feet tall and wide, $28.98. There's the tag on that one. And then Red Sonic Bloom Weigela, $28.98 on this one. That was a really pretty red color, a really nice red. And these get 4.5 feet tall and wide. And then the Show Off Forsythia, $28.98. This was also from Proven Winners, 5 to 6 feet tall and wide on that one. That's a spring bloomer. This is a first edition Superstar Spirea for $26.98. This is about 2 feet by 3 feet. I'm not sure how to pronounce this one. Nadezhda maybe? Lilac, $26.98. This one gets to be about 6 feet by 6 feet, so that's a large variety. And then a dwarf Alberta spruce, 3 feet by 3 feet. This was $12.98. And then the Youngstown juniper. This is 1 feet by 4 feet, so really low growing for $28.98. There's a look at it. And the old gold juniper, this is $28.98, 5 feet by 6 feet. That was a really nice looking plant there. And then they had the emerald green arborvitae for $11.98. These get 15 feet tall by 4 feet wide. These looked really good. And then this is the Southern Living Nightlight Chamaecyparis for $26.98. These get to be 4 to 5 feet high and wide. That was a really pretty shrub there. This is the Highlights Arborvitae, $26.98 on that. And these get 8 to 20 feet high, 4 feet wide. This is the Lemon Lime Nandina, $26.98. This is from Southern Living. And this is a Little Darling Lilac. That is from Monrovia. It is about 4 feet by 4 feet, and it was $26.98. Then I saw these Blue Point junipers. These were beautiful. I really, really liked these. $32.98 for these, and they get 10 feet tall by 5 feet wide. It's a really, really nice shape and texture on that one. And here's a better look at it. I pulled one off the rack so you could see that one. Here's Proven Winners Skybox Japanese Holly. These get 4 feet by 2 feet, and that was $28.98 for that one. This was a ginkgo from Monrovia. It did not have a tag anywhere on it that I could see, so I don't know what variety that was or even the price, but I thought that was really interesting. And then I saw these roses on standard. These were from Monrovia. This is the Nitty Gritty Red. This is the Nitty Gritty White. And Flower Carpet Amber. These were all pretty pricey, but then again, they're on sale. This is a Monrovia Ito Peony, the Garden Candy Ito Peony, $137. This is a Baby Peat Agapanthus, excuse me, for $50.98. The one in front of it was on sale, but these are not hardy near me, so I don't know what you would do with it if you could overwinter these. I don't know much about these plants. I'll have to do some research on that. Then I saw these euonymus, an emerald and gold euonymus for $10.98. These get 4 by 4. You can see the gold variegation on the leaf there. And then the other one is Emerald Gaiety. This is also $10.98, and that's 4 by 4. And this one had more of a white variegation on it. And last but not least, the Compact Japanese Holly. This was $26.98. It is 6 feet by 6 feet. Well, that's it for today. Boy, that was a lot. That was a lot of different varieties of shrubs and perennials. It was really, really neat to see a lot of that, especially a lot of it on sale. And a lot of it was those name brands, you know, Monrovia, Proven Winners, that kind of stuff. So I was really happy to see a lot of that. So I hope you get a chance to head over to your Lowe's soon and check out what they have available at the end of the season. I want to thank you for watching today, and I'll see you in the next one.